Will you come to church with me? That's the question we asked when we surveyed people across America. The results? 80% said they'd be likely to attend if invited by a friend. That's 4 out of 5 people in your community. Yet only 2% of churchgoers said they invited anyone to church over the last year. It's time for a change, a movement, uniting over 120 different denominations and reaching over 13 million people, helping churches all over America see an average increase of 25% in attendance on this day, and helping your congregation become more outward focused. Back to Church Sunday. Get started today. Add your church to the map for free and take advantage of some of these great resources, like postcards, t-shirts, personal inviting tools, banners, and more. Hundreds of people across the country are just waiting to be invited, and Back to Church Sunday helps your church, thousands of churches, become a unified front of inviters to connect people to Jesus as we bring people back to church.